Okay, so for video 2, we are looking at the slope of a graph. And with this, the first thing I'll look at is what type of slope it is. So I'll know whether it's going to be a positive or negative value. And so we read a graph, the way we read a book, we read it from left to right. So if I start here and I go across my line, I'm going down. Okay, so I'm going down. So I know I'm going to have a negative slope. And so I have 1, 2, 3 places down and 1, 2, 3, 4 places over. So since I was going down, it would be -3 over 4. This one is also a negative slope because when I start with my line and I follow it down, it's going down. So I go from one point to the next. And this one, I'm going down 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is -2 over 5. And so it's a lot easier. You don't have to worry about simplifying things most of the time because you're just counting either up and to the right or down and to the right. So far we've just seen negative slopes, which are down and to the right. This one right here, if you will think back to your 4 types of slope, this one you don't have to calculate anything. I see a horizontal line, so this is a 0 slope. With this one, this is our first positive slope. So if I start here, I'm going up, so we know it's positive. And if I go from the first dot to the next, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So my slope is 3 over 1, which we could also just call 3. And lastly, this is just an example of what an undefined slope looks like. And anytime you see a vertical line, you know that you're just going to call it an undefined slope.